integrating easy-to-use navigation and fleet management with quality audio entertainment for a new in-cab experience. This is Volvo Trucks' system for services and infotainment. Two mobile devices can be connected at the same time, making it easy to combine hands-free work and private communication, as well as contributing to an enhanced and safer driving experience. The new system connects navigation and Dynafleet on board. All relevant working information is displayed on one single touchscreen, allowing for more efficient fleet management. The driver can easily coordinate assignments and navigate between locations. With voice command, the system can be operated while keeping eyes on the road and hands on the wheel.
Who do you want to call?
Who?
This means a safer ride and a more focused driver. No matter where drivers are, they can tune into their local radio station via internet radio. Favourite songs can also be enjoyed in high-power audio by accessing music streaming services. These are just some of the features available on Volvo Trucks' system for services and infotainment.